The scale is difficult to comprehend. This is the machine that eats mountains.
Check the tie downs, we're clear to roll.
All right, convoy, keep it steady. You're clear into the tunnel approach.
The heat number matches the mill certificate right here.
Confirmed. Logging the traceability data now.
Clear on the left. Okay, easy now, keep it steady.
The rotation is perfectly smooth, alignment looks good.
Confirmed. Logging the results now.
All right, move to the next bolt in the sequence.
Hitting it now. Torque is steady.
Start the rotation sequence very slowly.
Sequence engaged. Alignment confirmed.
We're showing minus 0.05. Adjusting now.
And locked. Concentricity verified at 0 offset.
Breaker 1, 40 amps.
Confirmed. Logging that now.
Breaker 2, 40 amps.
Okay, moving on.
All right, lift on 3. 1, 2, 3. Got it. Watch the conduit on your side.
The resistance test is complete. It's stabilized within the limits.
Excellent. I'll record that now.
All systems registering green. Power flow is nominal.
Confirmed. Rotation sequence initiated. We have full power.
Seismic activity spiking, level 3. We have fracturing.
Throttle back. Deploy forward supports now.
All systems nominal, hydraulics holding steady.
Checklist complete. Pressure test passed.
We need to verify the torque settings before engaging the rotation.
The hydraulics are pressurized and within tolerance.
Initiating sequence now.
The Z-axis measurement is holding steady across the ring.
Confirms the dimensional accuracy. We can proceed.
Look at the consistency of the rotation at maximum thrust.
It meets all requirements.
Here are the final certifications and the digital twin logs.
Everything seems to be in order. I'll sign off on the handover now. Clear to lower the TBM, take it slow.
Roger. Descending now. Keep the area clear.
Keep it moving on this side. Okay, bringing the vibrator up now. Engaging. Easy now, hold it steady. A little to the left. All right, bring her down slow.
Site assembly preparation complete.
Lower slowly, slowly.
Watch the alignment on the left side. Hold it steady now, easy. Keep it coming steady, a little more to the left. All right, engage the clamps. Thumbs up, we're locked in.
readings on the drive motor.
Everything looks good at this speed. We can increase it now.
Look at the wear gauge, it's spiking.
I see it. Decreasing the torque now. Torque now.
All right, we're cutting power to the main drive.
The wear pattern on T3 looks acceptable, but check the rotation stress data.
Data confirms T3 is stable. We can clear it for the next cycle.
Torque is spiking. We're hitting the shear zone.
Readjusting the thrust now. We should stabilize before the breakthrough.
Check the seam right here, segment 42B.
Pulling up the specs now. Looks within tolerance.
Check the shoulder wear right here.
42 millimeters.
Confirmed. Logging 42 millimeters for position 3.
Keep eyes on the guides.
Almost there, settling into position.
Okay, lift it slowly. Watch the clearance on the right side.
Copy that. Coming up now.
And that's it. Fully operational.
Excellent work.
The new broadband connection makes everything so much faster.
This bridge has cut down our travel time significantly.
Incredible work out there, truly. Likewise. Likewise, to have built this with you. All right,